Okay, everyone, we're going to do some Irish, all right? So what I'm going to get you to do is you can look along with the video, or you can open your books as well. It might be handy to have your books beside you as well. We're on Lake Savolia, Shockton 26, so week 26, Law Hain, so day 1, and it's page 101, okay? So here we go.
Fuinneog Bhriste.
Bhí daddy agus na páistí sa gárdín ag gimmert amáníochta. Rug daddy ar an slitter agus bhúilte é. Bhúil an slitter fuinneog na kisteanna. Bhris sé an inneog. Déach mami amach an inneog bhriste, bhí farag arthaí, bhí náire ar yaddy.
Okay, so we're going to go through the meaning of this story now. Are you ready?
Fuinneog Bhriste.
Okay, so broken window.
Bhí daddy agus na páistí sa gárdín ag gimmert amáníochta.
So Daddy, agus na páistí and the children were in the garden playing hurling. Amáníochta is hurling.
Rug daddy ar an slitter agus bhúilte é.
So Daddy grabbed the slitter. The slitter is the ball you play with in hurling. Agus bhúil sé é, and he hit it.
Bhúil an slitter fuinneog na kisteanna.
The slitter hit the window of the kitchen.
Bhris sé an inneog.
He broke the window.
Déach mami amach an inneog bhriste,
Déach Mummy looked out of the broken window.
farag arthaí,
Bhí farragar he is, she was angry. There was anger on her.
bhí náire ar yaddy.
And Noir is embarrassment. So Daddy was embarrassed. Now we'll go on to the questions.
Ceis the hain. Cé a bhí sa gárdín.
So K.A.V. garden. Who was in the garden?
Ceis the dó. Céir the bhúil an slitter.
What did the slitter hit?
Ceis the tree. Bhris an inneog.
Did the window break? Okay, so the answer to Vrish is either Vrish or near Vrish.
Ceis the cahar. An raibh farag whammy.
Was Mummy angry? So V farragar Mummy or Ní Rev farragar Mummy?
Ceis the cuaig. An raibh noire yaddy.
Was Daddy ashamed? Was Daddy embarrassed? So V Noira Yaddy or Ní Rev Noira Yaddy? They're the answers. Have a go at those in the copybook and send me on your work into the Class Dojo portfolio.